Hello everyone, my name is Sisak Sikel.
My name is Udichai Thapila. My name is Pongsakorn Wongsakkar.
Today I'm going cook some Thai food, chicken tom yum. Have you ever eat?
Yes, it was very delicious.
And you?
Yes, it was really delicious and spicy.
I don't have ingredients. Can you buy?
Yes, where can I buy it?
You can buy the market.
Where is the market?
You go straight, turn left at the jungle and go along about 3 kilometers. The market is right.
I have to buy everything.
Chicken,
How much chicken?
1 kilogram,
What else?
tomato and lemon,
How many?
5 students.
Let's go.
Go. Let me start off ingredient. It is chicken. I use chicken wings.
I can choose the rest of chicken.
Yes, but have your chop it into small pieces. Let them fry so much room. You mushroom and the field and divide by 2. Okay. Them lemon grass, smash it up and cut into small pieces. Galangal, slice it. Scallop, smash it up. Garlic, smash it up. Chili, slice it up. Them garlic, lamb lip. You divide by 2 and remove cold. Them onion. You cut it into small pieces. This coriander. Cut it into small pieces. Lemon.
Can I eat instead of the samurai?
Yes, it's very good. Then this tomato divide by 2. And this salt and cayenne water. Okay, let's cooking. One, turn on the gas stove. I use the medium size.
What else do they do add?
I need some water.
How much is it? How much water?
So cut. Thank you. Well, this water boiling about to that 3 minutes. Then put lemon grass. Galangal. Scallop. Garlic. And chili. If you don't like spicy, have a little. And chicken. Well, of the chicken cooked about 10-15 minutes. tomato, mushroom, well to mushroom, cooked, then coriander, green onion. This time, some lemon, with salt,
Super.
you can have, yes,
Oh, very good.
and it is. Yes, okay, this is chicken tom yum. What's up? It is hot.
It's very easy and nice.
Nam do ta 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 do 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 ya do.